I hope your support will be forever. And thank you, sir. And our principal sir is there, and from his busy schedule, he has taken a time and really encourage us, sir. I would like to thank you, sir. And for more betterment, I expect this kind of cooperation in future also. And thanks to all the uh, all the team. And now I request to Dattatreya Kalvande sir, who is my best friend, and credit goes to him that he has helped me a lot. And all many friends are there, professionals are there who have virtually cooperated me to make success of this event. Now, without wasting much time, I request Dattatreya sir in few minutes, please. Uh, Please, your valedictory remark, please, sir. Oh, just a minute, sir. Sir, hello. Sir has given a message, and I would like to pass that message. Please, uh, for this webinar to be a great success, teachers should use the library resources more effectively and play a role of communicator to the learners. Teachers' communication during the lectures only can pull the students in the library. Use of library resources need to be a part of e-content. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And sir, what is the dream in my library that I will definitely achieve with the guidance of, with the kind support of you, able guidance of you, and all my professionals. Uh, they are always supporting me for the purpose. Thank you. Please proceed, Dattatreya sir.
Good evening to one and all. Sir, आवाज येतो माझा?
हाँ sir.
Okay, thank you. Honorable Principal of St. NKTT College, Professor Dilip Patil sir. Honorable my Guru, Dr. Will sir, Mr. Prahlad Jadhav sir, Chetan Taksale, today's resource person of this webinar, Dr. Samant Madam, IPC coordinator of your college, and Dr. Khadke sir, Mr. Rajesh Dure sir, librarian and organizer of this webinar. First, I would like to congratulate Mr. Dure sir and entire organizing team for organizing, not only organizing, but grand success of this event. As I have seen more than 150 participants, more than 2.5 hours they have to constantly listening to the all resource persons. So really this is a very grand success event. And as a library science professional, I know personally to Dure sir, he is very dynamic, hardworking, and always doing something innovative in concern of providing library services to the users as well as organizing such wonderful events in this pandemic situation. As sir really appreciated to him, he has been organized two very large number of participants events. So hearty congratulate to you sir and your entire college team. Actually, listening to my Guru, Honorable Vir sir, is always a golden opportunity. I would like to say that tonic for professionals to implement various innovative ideas in housekeeping operations as well as in information technology. And as a sir said regarding grading and status in higher education systems, actually as a concern of library knowledge management, personal knowledge management or organizational knowledge management, the libraries have played a very vital role in managing the knowledge, particularly organization knowledge, with the help of various criteria and practices. Even NAC and all accreditation team, those who are coming to assess our college, not only college, but they will be assessing to our knowledge as a concern, as a, stated by the visa. As a concern of today's webinar, I agree and also stress that the most important element in managing knowledge are independent individual, and that the most important knowledge asset reside in their mind. Therefore, even individual person knowledge management is essential for organizational knowledge management success. As per the author, who is the one very good author, and he has been writing very much literature on knowledge management, the need for a better theory of information and knowledge creation is the best illustrated by the fact that even as the most sophisticated computers can be used for the both criminal and human purposes, but for creating a more peaceful world, advanced information technology cannot deal with the human emotions and beliefs, and social cultural behavior that determine or at least influence economic, political, technical, and practical decision making. And in concern that author, such a theory should be given insight into the how emotions, knowledge, and our belief system and relief knowledge are interlinked and work together in this system. In concern of knowledge management, what contribution can we expect here from the information technology? Actually, the Prahlad Jadhav sir has been described very well thing, but the time has come when we need to address subject of personal knowledge, because modern age offers us a lot of possibilities or alternative opinions and so on. If we don't manage our knowledge, we are just mind catchers, unable to make decisions, get goal and achieve them. Our intention was not to make an explicit list of activities and strategies for personal knowledge, but to indicate that personal knowledge is an essential in overall development of the organization. So I would like to recommend that to all of you, please use effective and online platforms for the personal knowledge management like academia.edu, even ResearchGate, blogs, Flickr, SlideShare, Research ID or Diary, even personal websites, and as of Chetan Taksale sir has said that in institutional repository. So, in short, I would like to say that to build a professional, personal, academic image with and overall development in concern of NAC as well as getting good score or grade in accreditation with the help of various activities or your personal knowledge and achievements. Actually, as per the overall discussion in this webinar, I would like to say the personal management have in three dimensions. First, you need to an awareness of your knowledge. Next one is you need to be open to a learning, and third one is and final one is that you must be open to the sharing. As per the knowledge is shared, the entire organization grows and get the benefit from the personal knowledge to organizational knowledge. And even our as a overall discussion by the Prahlad Jadhav sir and Veer sir and all Chetan Taksale, actually personal knowledge has been divided into the three communities like that communities, social media and action. In an action, we can say that the comment, sometimes share, sometimes subscribe, sometimes write, sometimes create, sometimes consume, sometimes remake, sometimes save, sometimes publish. And all these points has been covered by the Prahlad Jadhav sir in his presentation. So I think all these key points covered by all the resource persons. Even Prahlad Jadhav has been covered the knowledge, information and wisdom in his presentation, and always he will doing very, very wonderful work on Google tools like Digo, Google Drive, etc. And that tool is also very much important for the managing our data or the knowledge in the day-to-day activities as well as in our professional life. Really, one thing I would like to appreciate that the Chetan sir and his team doing very well nowadays in this pandemic situation, such as organizing various training programs and technological support to the various institutions regarding organizing the webinars and training programs. So even he is doing very well in the automation and providing the support to the development of institutional repository and use of latest technological tools in the library and information library services as such as a practice. So congratulate to Chetan sir and his team. And as a scene look back, you are the role model, particularly those who are graduated from the library and information science and eagerly they are waiting for the job, but you have to develop yourself as an employer, not an employee. So my best wishes to you particularly, and I thank you to Lude sir, Dr. Samat madam, Principal Dr. Patil sir, and all the authorities of the college for giving me an opportunity to express my view on this grateful occasion. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Dattatreya sir, for your words. And I hope for my betterment of our library, you will be always there. I know the incidents when you was in the Aurangabad, and from there you have cooperated me. And that time NAC committee was coming and Soul server was not working. I can't forget that support, sir. Thank you, sir. Now, before proceeding, I would like to request Pritam, please share the PPT. Please second last PPT share.
Okay, sir.
Please. Dear friends, any activity, yes, that photo, yes, that only you play, yes. Uh, Dear friends, as you know that any webinar or any function is required a lot of support, and one thing is most important, that is inspiration. I have received inspiration from Honorable Principal Dr. Dilip Patil sir, Dr. IQAC Coordinator Dr. Arti Madam, our Professor in charge, Professor Anil Khadse sir, and I have received cooperation from Gitanjali Madam, Economic Department, Kinjal Madam from Self Finance course, Kiran More sir from BSCIT, then myself, and last but not least, forever my friend, my philosopher, my guide, everything, Mr. Sachin Karkhele. He is always need. Now, without wasting any, sorry for the overtime. Now I request Kinjal Madam, please proceed for next. Thank you. Hello, Kinjal Madam.
Yes, sir. Yes. Uh, Honorable Principal Dr. Dilip Patil, Honorable Vice Principal Dr. Aparna Thakur, respected SFC Coordinator Dr. Yogeshwari Patil, respected IQAC Coordinator Dr. Aarti Samant, our valued invited guest, and all the participants of the webinar. It's my privilege to extend the vote of thanks to each and everyone without whom this event would have not been successful. I, on behalf of Sheth NKTT College and Library Advisory Committee, would like to express my gratitude to the management for supporting us for organizing the event. I'm grateful to our Honorable Principal Dr. Dilip Patil and respected IQAC Coordinator Dr. Aarti Samant for their guidance, mentoring, support and cooperation throughout the organization of the event. I take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to all the invited speakers, Dr. Dharmaraj Kalyan Rao Veer, Mr. Prahlad Jadhav, Mr. Chetan Taksale, Mr. Indrish Khan, and Dr. Dattatreya Kalbande for their valuable time and sharing their knowledge and information for the betterment of the organization. I express my appreciation to Professor in charge of Library Advisory Committee, Professor Anil Khadse, for his cooperation and guidance extended for smooth conduct of event. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for our librarian, Mr. Rajesh Lule, for his initiative and relentless efforts in organization of the event. I would like to acknowledge our gratitude towards our technical support team, Professor Kiran More and Mr. Sachin Karkhele for coordination throughout the event. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation to Professor Geetanjali Chiplunkar, member of Library Advisory Committee, for her involvement and willingness to take charge of task and its completion for successful arrangement of the event. I express my sincere thanks to all the participants of the event for their attention and time, as their presence is a reward for our efforts and encourage to strive to organize such events in future with their support. Last but not the least, I would like to thank anyone I may have forgot to express my gratitude towards, and without whom the event would have not been possible. Thank you for your time.
Now, with the permission of our principal sir, we declare that the webinar is over. Thanks to one and all, and thanks to the technical support team, which have nicely coordinated. Thank you.